What's up, guys? It's January 18th today. I'm out on Lake Poygan, taking the truck out a little ways. I got the snowmobile on the back, so I'm gonna get up here and unload that just so I can cross cracks and stuff. Nobody's crossing cracks with trucks yet, but that'll happen very soon. Yeah, we're gonna be looking for some walleyes today. I got a little group of guys. We're gonna divide and conquer a little bit. Hopefully we can find some walleyes, but ice is pretty good. It's not bad until you get up to the cracks. That's where you need the sleds or wheelers. We on Poygan. Dang, big fish. This might be a pike or something. Oh, he snapped me off. Son of a bitch. Come on. Come on. Dang. There we go. That thing was pissed. See that one, Kevin? See that one? Nice one. There we go. Nice. It's a walleye. Little eater. Seeing two now. Oh, he's coming. He's coming. That's a nice mark too. Eat it. Oh, bumped it. Never got it in his mouth. It's coming again. Oh my God, eat it, dude. Eat it, please. There he is. Got him. Oh yeah. About time. That thing was sluggish, dude.